Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of sound. Phonetics. An individual sound unit of speech without concern as to whether or not it is a phoneme of some language. Phone. Speech sound. The subjective sensation of hearing something. He strained to hear the faint sounds. Auditory sensation. The audible part of a transmitted signal. Audio. A narrow channel of the sea joining two larger bodies of water. Strait. A large ocean inlet or deep bay. The main body of the sound ran parallel to the coast. Mechanical vibrations transmitted by an elastic medium. Falling trees make a sound in the forest even when no one is there to hear them. The particular auditory effect produced by a given cause. The sound of rain on the roof. The sudden occurrence of an audible event. The sound awakened them. Logically valid. A sound argument. Reasoned, well-grounded. Having legal efficacy or force. A sound title to the property. Effectual, legal. In excellent physical condition. A sound mind in a sound body. Good. Of sleep, deep and complete. A sound sleeper. Heavy, profound, wakeless. Exercising or showing good judgment. A sound approach to the problem. Healthy, intelligent, level-headed, level-headed. Complete, thorough. Politicians have no sound grasp of technology issues. Financially secure and safe. Sound investments. Free from moral defect. A man of sound character. In good condition, free from defect or damage or decay. A sound timber. Vigorous or severe. A sound thrashing. Measure the depth of a body of water with a sounding line. Fathom. Make a certain noise or sound. Go. Utter with vibrating vocal cords. Vocalize, vocalize, voice. Announce by means of a sound. Sound the alarm. Appear in a certain way. This sounds interesting. Cause to sound. Sound the bell. Give off a certain sound or sounds. This record sounds scratchy.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.